Hello, you're welcome. Today we have this interesting definite integral problem coming from the MIT Integration B 2025, and this happens to be the qualifiers question. We have the integral from 0 to 1 of x to the power of 2024 multiplied by 1 minus x to the power of 2025 whole raised to the power of 2025 and then dx, right? Okay, so this integral is very easy enough to solve. So let us find out the trick. So we're going to do the following. I will be same as 1 divided by 2025. Just calm down. Multiply the integral from 0 to 1. So here we're going to have 2025 x raised to the power of 2024, right? Then multiply by 1 minus x to the power of 2025 whole raised to the power of 2025, and then we have our dx. Now let's write as I is equal to 1 divided by 2025 multiply integral from 0 to 1. So this is same as 1 minus x to the power of 2025 whole raised to the power of 2025, then multiply by 2025x raised to the power of 2024, then attached with the dx. So let's go ahead and make the following substitution, right? So let us make the following substitution. So here we're going to let 1 minus x raised to the power of 2025 equals t. Now differentiate both sides. Derivative of a constant is 0, right? The derivative of negative x to the power of 2025 is giving us negative 2025 times x raised to the power of 2024 dx. Then this is equal to dt. Now multiply both sides by -1. Oh, sorry for this. So multiply both sides by -1. So we're going to get the following, that 2025 times x raised to the power of 2024 dx is equal to negative dt. And we can see this stands for negative dt. Don't forget that, okay? So our integral I, don't forget that it is equal to 1 divided by 2025 times the integral from 0 to 1 of 1 minus x to the power of 2025 whole raised to the power of 2025 multiplied by 2025 times x raised to the power of 2024 and then dx. So making our substitution now, so our I is going to be equal to 1 divided by 2025 times the integral. So we're going to check our new limits. Remember that 1 minus x to the power of 2025 is equal to t. So if x is approaching 1, we get 1 to the power of 2025 is 1. 1 minus 1 giving us 0. If x is approaching 0, we get 0 to the power of 2025 is 0. 1 minus 0 is giving us 1. And then this is going to be t raised to the power of 2025, then multiply by 2025x raised to the power of 2024 dx is equal to negative dt, right? Now let us use this nice standard integral property. We know that the integral from b to a of f of x dx is equal to negative, then from a to b of f of x dx. So we're going to switch the limits and then the negative sign will vanish, right? So our I is going to be equal to 1 divided by 2025 multiply the integral. This is going to be from 0 to 1, and then we have just t raised to the power of 2025 and then dt. Okay, so from here it is easy enough, right? So this is going to be equal to 1 divided by 2025 multiplied by, so this is going to be t raised to the power of 2025 plus 1 giving us 2026, then divided by the new limit 2026. Then our limits running from 0 to 1. Now we're going to substitute the upper limit first. So our I is going to be equal to 1 divided by 2025. So taking the upper limit, 1 raised to the power of 2026 is 1 divided by 2026 minus 0 raised to the power of 2026 is 0 divided by 2026. So this is giving us 1 divided by 2025 multiplied by 2026. And if we check the product, then we find our final answer that I is equal to 1 divided by 4,102,650. So this right over here is our solution. If you really enjoyed this video, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share.